Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, ma'am.
So in science you have chapter today respiration in organisms. Today we will read and tomorrow explanation will be there. Okay?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
first paragraph let me read. Put your finger there. Then one by one you will read.
Yes, ma'am.
So are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Respiration in organisms. One day, Bujo was eagerly waiting to meet his grandparents, who were coming to the town after a year. He was in a real hurry as he wanted to receive them at the bus stop. He ran fast and reached the bus stop in a few minutes. He was breathing rapidly. His grandmother asked him why he was breathing so fast. Buzo told her that he came running all the way, but the question got stuck in his mind. He wondered why running makes a person breathe faster. The answer to the Buzo's question lies in understanding why we breathe. Breathing is a part of respiration. Let us learn about respiration. So now, Aisha, second paragraph you will read. Okay?
Ma'am.
Yes.
10.1. Why do we respire?
Why do we respire? Okay.
In chapter 2,
Loudly.
In chapter 2, you learn that all organisms are made of small microscopic
Units.
called cells. A cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of an organism. Each cell of an organism performs certain functions such as nutrition, transformation,
No, transport.
excretion,
Excretion.
and reproduction. To perform these functions, the cell needs energy. Even when we are eating, sleeping, or reading, we require energy. But where does this energy come from? Can you say why your parents insist that you should eat regularly? The food has stored energy which is
Released.
released during respiration.
Sit down. Very good reading. So, okay. Now, Ria, third paragraph you will read.
Therefore, all living organisms respire to get energy from food. During breathing, we breathe in air. We know that air contains You know that air contains oxygen. We breathe out air which is rich in carbon dioxide. The
Ear.
we breathe in the transported to all parts of the body and ultimately to each cell. In the cell,
Cells. In the cells.
in the cell, oxygen in the air helps in the breakdown of food. The process of breakdown of food in the cell with the release of energy is called cellular respiration. Cellular respiration takes place in the cells of all organisms.
Sit down. Good. Okay. Then, Ikra. Next paragraph you have to read.
In the cells, the food cell only. In the cell, the food glucose is broken down into carbon dioxide and water using oxygen. When breakdown of glucose occurs with the use of oxygen, it is called
Aerobic.
respiration. Food can also be broken down without using oxygen. This is called anaerobic respiration. Breakdown of food releases energy. Glucose in the presence of oxygen, carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. You should know that there are some organisms such as yeast that can survive in the absence of air. They are called anaerobes. Anaerobes. They get energy through anaerobic respiration. In the absence of oxygen, glucose breaks down into alcohol and carbon dioxide as given below. Glucose in the absence of oxygen, alcohol plus carbon dioxide plus energy. Sit down. Now, where is the Pawan? Pawan, next paragraph you will read. From
Yeast
yeast.
are single celled organisms.
No, single celled. Called, not celled.
Yeast are single celled organisms. They respire anaerobically. Aerobically, and during this process yield alcohol. They are therefore used to make wine and beer. Our muscle cell can also respire anaerobically, but only for a short time when there is a temporary deficiency of oxygen during heavy exercise, fast running, figure 10.1, cycling, walking for many hours, or heavy weight lifting. The demand for energy is high, but the supply of oxygen to produce the energy is limited. Then anaerobic respiration takes places in the muscle cell to fulfill the demand of energy. Lactic acid plus energy. Glucose in the absence of oxygen.
Glucose were present in the muscles, okay?
In muscle, lactic acid energy. Have you
Sit down. Sit down. Sapna, are you able to read? Yeah, read. Hold the book and read.
Have you ever wondered why you get muscle cramps after heavy exercises? The cramps occur when muscle cells respire and
Anaerobically.
The partial breakdown of glucose
Produces.
lactic acid. The
Accumulation.
the accumulation of lactic acid causes make muscles cramps. We get relief from cramps after a hot water bath or a massage. Can you guess why it is so? Hot water bath or massage improves circulation of blood. As a result, the supply of oxygen to the muscle cells increases. The increases in the supply of oxygen results in the complete breakdown of lactic acid into carbon dioxide and water.
Okay, sit down. Gaurav, stand up, do mask down, and read breathing. 10.2.
10.2 Breathing Activity 10.1 Caution. Do this activity under the supervision of your teacher. Close your nostrils.
Read loudly.
Close your nostrils and mouth tightly and look at the watch. What did you feel after some time? How long were you able to keep both of them closed? Note down the time for which you could hold your breath. Figure 10.2. So now you know that you cannot survive for long without breathing.
Good, sit down. Okay. Now, Ikra, you got chance? From there, yeah, Shalani, stand up and read next.
So now you know that you cannot survive for long without breathing. Breathing means taking in air rich in oxygen and giving out air rich in carbon dioxide with the help of respiratory organs. The taking in of air rich in oxygen into the body is called inhalations, and given out of air rich
Loudly.
in carbon dioxide is known as exhalation. It is a
Continuous.
process which goes on all the time and throughout the life of an organism.
Sit down. Now, yeah, who will read? Yes, Riddhima.
A person breathes in a minute is termed,
Loudly. Come near.
is termed as the breathing rate during
Breathing rate. Then full stop also there.
breathing rate. During breathing, inhalation and exhalation take place alternately.
Alternately.
A breath means one inhalation plus one exhalation. Would you like to find out your breathing rate? Do you want to know whether it is constant or it changes
It changes
according to the requirement of oxygen by the body? Let us find out by doing the following activity.
Okay. Now you can go. Paridhi, come here and read loudly. Okay.
Activity 10.2.
Generally
Generally, we are not
aware.
that we are breathing.
However,
However, if you try, you can
count.
count your rate of breathe in and out. Normally, find out how many times you
Breathe.
breathe in and breathe out in a
Minute.
minute.
Okay, go. Now, Akshita. Akshita is left. Akshita will read. Come here. Do your mask down and read in loud sound. Where she stop from there, you have to start.
I think she don't know.
Tell to her. Not seeing in book properly. That's why. Did you from here? Loudly. No. Did you inhale? Loudly. Same number. Times as you exhaled. Now count your breathing rate. Breaths per minute. After breath, walk, and after running, record your breathing rate as soon as you finish, and also after complete rest. Tabulate your findings. Compare your breathing rates under different conditions with those of your classmates. Go. You should also try improve your reading. Okay. Some children they are reading too well. Some they read well, and some they have poor reading. Who didn't read? I think today all they got chance. And who is absent? Lakshmi. 4 are absent. Yeah, when they will come? I think after Diwali.
After Diwali, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So when they will come, let's see. At that also at home also you should read and read.
Yes,
Make
ma'am.
your reading very strong. Especially Paridhi, especially Akshita also. Okay. Try more and more. Do practice because practice makes man
Perfect.
perfect. So have a nice day, guys.